Press Download on the button that says Flux Launcher. Press Continue to download. On your web browser, press Keep and run it. Press Next, and then Download. On the administrator pop-up, press Yes. Now make an account on the Flux website. Press Login, then No. Create your account here. Use this info to then sign into Flux Launcher. Now to install the season for Flux. Download from Launcher, press Install, and wait for it to download. If you already have it or finished it, press Import. And find the 8.51 build you have. You can find this in Downloads or Flux Builds. Then make sure it has Fortnite game and engine and import the 8.51 file, press OK, and there you have it. Enjoy Flux.